Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a Asian-inspired meal. It's a one-pan chicken and broccoli meal. It's inspired by the streets of the Asian markets, and you can make this in less than 10 minutes. So for today's recipe, we have grilled chicken. If you want, you could use raw chicken, and it's only going to take like 2 or 3 minutes to cook. Fresh garlic, broccoli florets, 2 beaten eggs. We got pepper, salt, sticky rice, and then we're also going to be using avocado oil and soy sauce. So this definitely could be made, like if you already have the chicken that's cooked, you can make this in 3 minutes or less. So let's go right to the pan. Alright YouTube, so put your stove on medium, and we're going to use avocado oil. If you want it, use olive oil. It's up to your taste. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to put the chicken in first. And the best thing to do is with this recipe, since it cooks in 2 to 3 minutes, make sure you have everything prepped. These are your 3-man ingredients. Even if you used raw chicken, that's only going to take like 3 minutes. So throw your chicken in there, and just start stirring that about till it gets warm. Like I said, if you had raw chicken, cut it in strips like this, and it's only going to take 3 minutes total. So give that a second, and then we'll throw our garlic in. Alright, so our chicken's cooking. Now we're going to throw our raw garlic in. And with this recipe, you could put it over noodles, rice noodles, or over sticky rice. We're going to put it over sticky rice. So just keep stirring this about. Give it a little time. And in about a minute, we'll throw the broccoli in. Alright YouTube, so we got the broccoli back here. Throw that in there, and you can hear that sizzle. And now you just want to keep stirring this about. Give this about maybe 30 seconds to another minute, and we're going to throw the salt and pepper in there. Alright YouTube, so throw your salt in there. Throw some pepper in there. And let this go for another 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Let the flavors all blend together and fuse. If you wanted to, you could put the rice noodles into here. But we're going to be using sticky rice. So the thing you're going to want to do now is throw in that soy sauce. Give it some flavor. And to stain this stuff. Alright, the thing we're going to do is turn this off and let this cool down, and we're going to put it in a bowl, and we're going to put the egg in there. Alright YouTube, so if you can see it, it's all stained. I didn't make a big portion of this because it's only me. So the thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this into a bowl, and we're going to then wipe this pan clean because we want to use the egg. Alright YouTube, so that is definitely done. Look at this. You got all that soy sauce in there and color. So like I said, this takes only like 3 minutes to cook, even with raw chicken. So take this pan and try to soak us up as much as you can, and then we're going to throw the egg in there, and we're almost there. Alright YouTube, so we have the 2 beaten eggs. Throw that in there. Keep your pan on medium. If you have to, put it on low. And the thing you're going to do is just start working this egg back and forth. It doesn't have to be a science because we're going to throw the broccoli and chicken back in there. So just keep moving that back and forth. Sometimes the best thing to do is if you have a smaller pan, you can work it up the side, bring it down, work it up the side and bring it down. But this should be good. Just work it back and forth. And if you wanted to, if you didn't want to use sticky rice, you could use brown rice or jasmine and throw it right into the pan. So be back when this is done. Alright YouTube, so that is done. Now we're going to return the broccoli, chicken, and garlic. See that? And just get that remaining juice down here. And keep this on medium. Stir it about. Get that egg mixed in there. If you wanted to, you could add sesame seeds into this. Sorry, I can't talk today. But look at that. That's a healthy meal. You could just eat that on the plate. But right now, we're done. If you wanted to, like I said, if you had rice noodles, you could throw the rice noodles in here. Either brown rice or another type of rice. But since we're going to throw this on top of sticky rice, that should be good. But that's basically it. There's your one pan meal. See you at the cutting board to finish the dish. Alright YouTube, so we have the sticky rice. And the thing you're going to want to do is just come over here and start putting this broccoli, chicken, and egg over top of it. So this would definitely make for a good combination. And like I said, you could have rice noodles instead of that. Or any other type of rice. But that's your upload. Chicken and broccoli. You could do many things with that. If you wanted to, if there was any sauce in the pan, just put it on top. But yep. That's your chicken and broccoli. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and see you soon. Dan Soy. God bless. Bye-bye.